Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Telegram permanently. So let's get right into it. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Here select that contacts inbox you want to block. And here you have to hit on that person's name. Now you have to hit on that three dotted button which is top right corner of the screen. Once you will hit this button, you will see these options on your screen. Simply you have to hit on block user. Once you will hit that option, you will see this type of pop-up over the screen, and here you have to hit on block user. And this user has been blocked. And that's it guys. How to block someone on Telegram permanently. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.